Hey K9. Yeah, what's the exit on lqty? Now this was actually Tom was getting involved in this, but let's look at it anyway here to see, green on the month, or sorry, green on the year here. So it's having a nice green yearly candle. At this point it's had 3 or 4 4 or 5. I said 1 2 3 4, well 5 into the 6th candle, 5 candles to the upside, green candles to the upside. Now we definitely can see that there is a major level up here, right into this pivot right here. We've taken liquidity in this candle here, so it's getting extended. It's getting extended here before pullbacks. There would be no shame in selling it into here. If you were in a shorter term trade, it's probably going to be mostly green here until a new 2 week. There's 6 days left, so at this point, it's still holding up well. I would say that there's a good chance of these highs getting taken out. Kind of implying that two of these candles to the upside is fairly good. Anywhere selling in here is probably pretty good, right? Then either another spike up or a spike up to the highs, or just a pierce above the highs. I would say that that's a decent selling point on lqty, in the fact that then it would be creating a lower high here. This is more than likely going to be creating lower highs and lower lows. I'm not saying it's going to work its whole way down into here or anything. That's not really what I'm saying, but at this point I would suggest that it's probably going to create a lower high rather than go higher than this. I don't think it's going to go higher than here, so this is into a major selling point. Now let's just look at a few of the other. So it's having a large green monthly candle, very nice. It's not going to flip red this month. It's going to stay fairly strong. I do like it here for profits if it is a shorter term trade and you weren't accumulating lower for a longer term. But this is into big levels. Even the 2 week in here is pretty big. These don't always have to be topping candles at all. You can go a little bit higher than here. So there's no harm in taking some profits here if that was the case, but I think there's still a decent chance that we go a bit higher up here, up into this level. That's probably where I would be selling. I didn't buy this K9, it was Tom, but I was away at the weekend, so it was a bit of a hectic weekend, so I'm a bit late getting back to this. Very nice buying volume here. You can see here on the 3-day chart. Very nice. Now what we are seeing, if I flip to the daily chart, you can see that there is some sort of capitulation here. Now what that often means is, above capitulation somewhere here, there can be often selling opportunities, right? I don't see any proper sell signs yet, apart from above the capitulation. But so far this is holding up well. I would keep an eye on it this week. It's going to remain green on the month and green on the quarter. Now, sometimes in extreme situations, these daily apexes on new coins can actually hold up and can moon. At this point, it's tough to say. I don't really see this mooning from here. I think it's probably more likely to pull back and fill some of this out before creating a larger pattern before mooning. But there's no question about it that this volume is very nice, and we need to keep an eye. Like you can see here, you got the giant volume that did sell off the price. This giant volume did sell off the price, but if we go to this daily chart, we can see here that this volume is 3rd or 4th largest volume in history. If you take out the initial day, it's probably third highest in history here, and the other two, that was very close to the top, and it had one more push and then pulled back. This created a high, and we're getting one more push, so I would definitely keep an eye on it up here.